Today, millions of people are disheartened as Sachin has retired. Here we are with one of the greatest fans of Sachin Tendulkar, Mr. Nikhil Butt.
Uh, Hello everyone. Today morning as I sit with my cup of tea on a relaxed Saturday, the next day over here after Sachin's retirement, thoughts flash across my mind and I don't know what to say. To start with, it's Dr. Nikhil Bhatt. Secondly, coming to Sachin, when I heard the speech yesterday, I'm sure along with me, millions worldwide would be in tears, especially at the last moment when he kissed the 22-yard strip which made him what he is. It almost feels like 24 years of my life, and I'm sure for everyone, 24 years have just went away in a flash of a second yesterday. We can start from 89. I personally started watching cricket in 92, the 92 World Cup. Since then, it's always been Sachin and India for me. And I can talk about innumerable innings, but that's something that everyone knows about. What stands out for me is his humility, his modesty, his respect for the game and for people who are above him as well as those who are below him. He treats everyone equally, and that's a lesson in itself. So cricket will not be the same for me, and I'm sure for most of them. But cricket will go on, but Sachin, there won't be anyone like him ever. He'll by far be the greatest. And as I sit back, there's only one thing I can say, that whenever I'm sad or I feel depressed, it's one Sachin inning that'll get a smile on my face always. And there are too many to list, so it doesn't matter which one. There are memories that I've met him as well, and it's an honor. It was an honor for me that I was able to meet him once, and I also know that I've in fact sat in the 1998 Opel Astra, which was gifted to him after the Sharjah knock. I was privileged to sit in that car, and it's been a special journey for Sachin, and along with him for all of us. And it's ended, and it almost feels like now we have grown up and he has retired, but we start working from today. So just want to say thank you to Sachin, and thank you for everything. This is just a small thank you note from my side, and his innings are always remembered by me as moments or occasions in my life. Like if you can talk about the 92 World Cup, I remember I was in my 3rd standard. You talk about Sharjah 98, I was in 8th standard. 2003 World Cup, I was preparing for my medical school. You talk about 2008, he's breaking the world record for the highest test score. I had completed my medical school. Talk about 2010, the 200 not out. That was the last inning I saw in India before I left for US. And I was privileged to watch his 200. And of course the 2011 World Cup, I had gone to India for a vacation and I was with my family watching it. And how can I forget the 2013 IPL final? It was one day before my wedding, and that was a special gift from Sachin, that Mumbai Indians won it, and he called it a day from IPL. And yes, yesterday was the last day in Test cricket, and I enjoyed it with Sangeeta, my wife. And so, like I said, his innings are occasions which are reflected in our lives, and I'm sure it's the same with all of us, with all of you all. So just want to say thank you, Sachin, and you'll always be special for us in our hearts. And thank you very much. Have a wonderful post-retirement life, and we are always with you.
Thank you, Dr. Nikhil Butt and Sachin Tendulkar. We will miss you.